unbound in His power. Some of the strongest people you know are not bound by the present, they are battling a past they survived but can't seem to release. The truth is this: pain leaves echoes, storms leave marks, and sometimes the loudest voice in your life isn't fear of tomorrow, but the weight of yesterday. But hear me clearly today: when Jesus steps into your story, the past loses its authority. It may remind you, but it can't reclaim you. In Isaiah chapter 43 verses 18 to 19, God says, "Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing." That means your future is not a repired version of yesterday. It is a brand new creation being formed by the hand of God. Yet so many hearts are still turned backward, watching storms they already walked out of. Let me tell you this: the enemy's favorite trap isn't always destruction. Sometimes it's distraction. If he can't steal your life, he'll try to steal your peace by keeping your mind in places God has already delivered you from. Because as long as you are living in the wounds of yesterday, you will doubt the wonders of tomorrow. But if you live like Jesus lives in you, bold, Spirit-led, standing in His finished work, no power can keep you bound. You weren't saved to stay silent. You were delivered to declare. Jesus didn't just lift your burdens for a moment, He broke their right to stay. So when you say, "I live like Jesus, no power can keep you bound," you're not speaking poetry, you are speaking identity. Look at everything that tried to crush you: rejection, heartbreak, betrayal, fear, grief, anger, circumstances that shook your world like thunder. It wasn't gentle, it was violent. It didn't whisper, it screamed. And yet, you are still here. So let me remind you, the storm didn't preserve you. God did. Not coincidence, not luck, not your own strength. Grace carried you when strength ran out. Psalm chapter 147 verse 3 tells us, "He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds." That means God doesn't ignore what broke you, He mends it. He doesn't pretend it didn't hurt, He heals it. But healing requires a hand-off. You can't be filled with God's new thing if your arms are full of old pain. Many people are afraid to let go of the past because they think letting go means forgetting it happened. No, letting go means remembering it happened, but refusing to let it control you anymore. So today, the encouragement you give to someone struggling sounds like this: don't speak from fear, speak from faith. Don't argue with the past, declare over it. Don't measure God's promises by old pain, measure your pain by God's promises. No power, no pain, no past, no storm can keep you bound. Live in His word, stand in His power. You are free, you are carried, you are unshakable, because He is. Thank you for watching. May God cover you, guide you, and strengthen you today and always. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more daily encouragement. God bless you.